Are Meghan and Harry getting divorced, or are they renewing their wedding vows?
It's a kind of magic.
Good morning, everyone. It's May the 3rd, 2026, and this is about 8:30 in the morning, and as you can see, it's already light in the UK. We are going to check out this story. Now, the other day, I saw this about that Meghan Markle wanted to renew the vows, and now people, and I think they said it'll be on Tom Sykes' show as well, or it has been. I don't know. I haven't seen him lately. So, that an insider is supposedly saying they are getting divorced. So, are they getting divorced, or are they going to renew their vows? So let's just do a little challenge. We haven't done one of those in a long time. So let's see. So I've changed decks. This is the Universal Weight Tarot deck. And I'm going to ask, we're going to do a challenge. We're going to do a challenge. On the top, Meghan and Harry getting renewing their vows. On the bottom, they're getting divorced. Okay, and let's see. All right. So, do this little challenge here. Okay. Are Meghan and Harry getting divorced, or are they? Okay, at the top, they're renewing their vows. The bottom, they're getting divorced. Ready? Okay, try to move all this here. The Five of Wands, the Five of Swords, upright, renewing the vows. Oh goodness, the Five of Cups, upright, getting divorced. Okay. Okay, are they renewing their vows? Two of Pentacles reversed. The Queen of Cups reversed for divorcing. Okay, the Justice upright for renewing vows. The Chariot upright, divorcing. The Emperor upright, renewing vows. Wheel of Fortune reversed, divorcing. Okay. Knight of Wands reversed, renewing vows. King of Cups reversed, divorcing. Let's see, that's 5. Let's see if I can squeeze in 2 more. So, 5 of Swords upright, 2 of Pentacles reversed, Justice upright, Emperor upright, Knight of Wands reversed so far, and that is all for renewing vows. So, the Knight of Swords upright for renewing vows, the 10 of Wands reversed, divorce. The 9 of Wands upright, renewing vows. The 6 of Cups reversed, divorcing. So, I'm going to count all these now. So, divorcing is 2 upright, and renewing vows, guys, they might be renewing vows, because here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upright. Wow. they might actually be. Now let's get into it. So we have the Five of Swords for renewing vows. That is winning the battle, but not everybody wins. Only one person. Look, and there's 3 people in this marriage. 3 swords he's holding, and 2 they've thrown down. And also the 5 of Cups, that is disappointment. And that is for divorcing. Now, you know what? I'm reading it as, yes, they will be staying together, and kind of disappointed that they can't break up because they have to stay together. That's what I'm thinking here. They have to stay together. And then you have the 2 of Pentacles in reverse for staying together, renewing, and the Queen of Cups reversed. This is a lot of craziness going on here, and that is for divorcing. I'm thinking, this. So the 2 of Pentacles, he is balancing out, trying to balance everything out, weighing up the choices, and you have this stormy seas in the background, and in reverse, that is a big struggle. So I feel like they're having to stay together. It's best for them, and I mean, where are they going to go? Like, I've been on this channel saying that they're coming back. I'm not so sure. I don't know. I'm going to do another reading on that. And but here we have Justice upright, and we have the Chariot upright. So Justice upright is court as well, and I'm getting that from the Chariot as well. It's kind of you've got the reins. You can choose. Really, you've got the control, and the Justice. That's balancing out. It's also truth. I think they're staying together, guys. I really do. The Emperor upright and the Wheel of Fortune, Wheel of Fortune in reverse, that's unlucky. If they get divorced, it might not turn out how they want. And also the Emperor, I am not so sure that Charles is telling them they need to stay together as well. That is the king. It's right in the center. And unfortunate for them, he won't be... Well, remember Queen Elizabeth? She had to approve of them getting divorced. Remember of Charles and Diana? And I think the Emperor is saying, that's what I think. Stay together. But the Knight of Wands, there is some anger there. And throwing a fit, I think. The King of Cups in reverse. Something they didn't want to hear. And yeah, emotions are really high. You've got the Queen of Cups in reverse over here. This could also be, the king as a father, but he's in reverse. He may not grant it. He might not grant that. But anyway, they're going to keep on... Oops. They're going to keep on attacking the family. Uh, there, this is a battle. This is also could be court as well, wanting, but this is also, um, I said, up the one on top is renewing the vows, and they can't really let go. That is a 10 of wands in reverse, and usually it's releasing a burden, like by getting divorced, and the outcome, they are embattled to stay together. And the six of cups in reverse, that is the 9 of wands upright, embattled, and this is their staying, the top, to renew the vows. And there won't be any, this is like reminiscing and going back to the past, but they won't be returning to the past, and that would be like returning to, this is what I'm thinking, returning back to the castle and going back to your childhood and all that. That's not very nice memories as well. Uh, so if they divorce, it would be very unlucky for them. And the king might be, I don't care what anybody says, he might be supplying him with some, supporting them. But it looks like they're going to have to stay together. And I said about renewing the vows, I don't know about that really. But to me, there's two knights here. Right here. One's upright, one's reversed, the Knight of Wands and the Knight of Swords, and they're like attacking each other. So it's a big fight, and they're embattled. That's what it looks like. But I think they're going to stay together. And while we're at it, I might as well just get my pendulums out here. I should have got that first, but it wouldn't be so interesting, would it? I'm not really sure about the renewing of vows, but I do think they are staying together. So, at least for the time being. So, are Harry and Meghan planning on getting divorced soon? Are Harry and Meghan planning on getting divorced soon? Look, that's going to no, straight to no. Look at that. And no is horizontal and yes is vertical. So, did you see that? I don't know if you can see that. Maybe like that. Okay, so are Harry and Meghan planning on getting divorced soon? Are they? And that is going to no. Okay, see if I can move my hand a little bit away from that. There. Okay. So, are they renewing their vows? Are they renewing their vows or not? Are they going to renew their vows? Are they renewing their vows soon? Or okay, I can't. All right, let's give you a little kickstart. Are Harry and Meghan planning on renewing their vows, please? Their wedding vows, marriage. That is going to no. Okay, so they're not planning on renewing. Oh, I better just say, are they going to stay? Are they going to stay together, for 10 years? For like, are they going to make it to 10 years? Let's ask that. Are they going to make it their marriage last 10 years? And that is going to yes. So they might make it to 10 years, and they in the States, I mean, I know how it is in some states, but I think California as well. If you're together 10 years, you get half. So, half of what the other person. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you this time. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you all. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and the hype. And I will see you on the next one.